Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I have this set of acrylic markers that have been sent to me, acrylic paint markers. It's by woomerart.com and I'll put that across the screen. I have a confession. I've been using them like crazy and I'm obsessed. As you know, I've had different companies send these to me, the acrylic markers, because I don't know why they send them to me, but I do love them. But I'm gonna demonstrate using these. I don't get any kickback from this. I'm just telling you my honest opinion. So I think this is a 72 set, but the tip is kind of fine. I don't know, you'll see. But lots of colors to pick from. This set is my favorite because I love greens and pinks, so I use those a lot. I've made all of these pieces of collage fodder with these markers. Mushrooms, you know, my usual. So I'll do some of that on camera just to show you what these markers look like. Oops. And I'll be using these a lot. As you can tell, I already have. All right. Let me see. All right. Let's just do a big old mushroom first. All right, so what kind do we want to do here? Let's just do, this is just how I do my mushrooms, guys. I just start off with kind of like a rough draft in black. What are these, the gills? So how's the weather over where you guys are right now? Let me know in the comments. It's 1 billion degrees here in Michigan. It was 101, I think, yesterday. Anyways, this is my favorite of all the colors, I think. This is, you know, some kind of, I don't know, green turquoise. But the coverage is just so smooth. I don't know. And I like that it has somewhat of a pointed tip so I can get in these areas. I know it shakes my table when I color, so it's unfortunate. Let me move this. But I'm obsessed with these. If these run out, I will purchase a pack of them for sure. Unless they want to send me more, that'd be awesome. Hint, hint. All right. It'll take me a long time to go through these. Let's pick a stem color. I have a certain, oh, it's here. I usually do brown, yellow. And I just kind of sort of fill it in. That's pretty much it. Sometimes I take my Posca, this gold, and just add some cute dots. Why not? Probably should have waited for it to dry, but that's okay. So, let's see. Let me do, I always just pick 2 colors when I'm doing. I'm gonna turn this upside down here. This is just the flower that I always do. Kind of wonky. Oops. Oh, and I just smeared my mushroom. Whatever. I'll fix that with the marker when it dries. You've seen me make this flower probably 1,000 times. I'll let that dry for a sec before I finish it because I'm going to smudge everything. Let's see. Oh, I've been doing this, I've been doing this other flower. This, kind of like that. Where's my other one? This one. Let's see what it would look like in here. be cute on a journal page. This journal is pretty full, but I'm not gonna put it in there right now. So let's see. What color should I do? Decisions. Maybe I'll do this one. Let's see how dark this one is. Yeah, that'll be perfect. I just love this tray. I just put a pink in there. I don't keep these organized. I only organize them because I was going on camera. I actually keep them in a Tupperware bin. But let's see. I think I have maybe more room here. But look how smooth they are. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm kind of the queen of these markers. I've got a million. I mean, other brands are great too, but these ones I'm just in love with. A lot of it has to do with how many turquoise variations there are, because I'm obsessed. Turquoise, pinks, yellows, and greens are like my faves. Let's see. Oops, all right. Kind of messed that up a little bit, but I'll cut it off. Okay. Now the question is, what color should I do? Let me see. I'll play this by ear. Okay, that's not too bad. In fact, I might make this. That's fine, I guess. A little off center, but I was thinking about coloring this in with, I'm not sure. How did I do these ones? Okay. Well, you can always cover it. Go over it if I don't like the color. I like that kind of. This is dry enough yet for me, but I usually go around it with black. Yeah, it's not quite dry. My good markers are like mark makers are out. I like my Poscas, my 0.7s or 1 millimeter, but they're all out and they're so expensive now. They used to be a lot cheaper. Not much cheaper, but I know that they've gone up. So I've been procrastinating on getting more. So, before I forget, I'll put the information for these markers in the description. I meant to do the leaves with or petals with gold, but I messed up, so maybe I'll do white. So if you want to buy them or check out the website. No, I don't like that. All right. So what I'm gonna do is do the gold, and then I'm gonna cover up the center gold because I messed up. Or I could leave it. I don't know. Let's see. I was just trying to add another floral doodle to my collection because I do the same things all the time. Okay. And then come back to this. Let's see. These I just kind of do this too. You can do these however. So Sometimes I'll go around twice. Just depends on my mood. Anyways, guys, it is so hot. Is it hot where you are? Michigan has humidity, so that's fun. I think I might make the center gold. Whatever, wonky flower. But maybe I'll do some swatches. See, I don't like these in the trays. They're hard to get out. Super hard to get out. I'm complaining. A lot of times I will take the swatchy stuff and put it in a journal, like cut this out. And you could stamp words over some of them or write like a faux color, like with a black marker, like number 7, or you know, like a paint thingy. All right, let's do some of these oranges maybe. Look at this neon orange. Obviously, I'm picking my favorite colors. Let's see. Let's not forget about this tray. I wish I had a pool. I went and got another kiddie pool for my dogs, so they could at least have something to step into. I mean, I wish I had a pool on days like, or weeks like, I don't know, days. We're on our 2nd week of this heat wave. But then I also don't want to pay to run it and all the maintenance. I enjoy vacuuming, honestly, but it's a lot of work to open and close a pool for a state that only has like 3-4 months of swimming. But let's see, what did I do with? Might do, let's see. Might just do some swatches of colors I like next to each other. I have no idea if I'm going out of frame or not. Let's see. Let's try all these greens. Those are lovely. I think this one, let's try this one to break it up. Kind of like a mint green. This is my fave. I'll probably blow through these 3 very quickly and then fill it, and then I'll have to buy a whole nother set just for the 3 I love. Well, I love them all, but you get my drift. Let's see. Now I want to finish this page. I know this is boring, but I'm like super committed. Can't really see that one very well. What other pink one do I want? I guess I'll do this dark one again. All right, voila. That's not obviously not all the colors, but definitely love these. I wonder, let's see what I feel like doing. I don't know. Don't you guys love just doodling sometimes? I do. All right, let's see. What green do I want? I don't know if this is gonna turn out or not. This is an impromptu video, by the way, guys. It's like 7:30 in the morning. I had no intentions of even filming this right now, so bear with me. Probably shouldn't even post it because it's just kind of whatever, but. Did you tell what it is yet? Mm-hmm. Well, it's a little off center, so let's make it a little wider right there. Why not? Okay. Let's see. I don't know if those turned out or not. I'm just trying to make like kind of like a little flowery thing. And then where's my black? Actually, I could try this one. This might be, let me see. Oh. Probably be better to use a smaller. Ugh, I gotta do this like. I should leave it alone. All right. And then let's see. I think I might do this. What did I do with that black marker, guys? How did I lose it? Oh, there it is. Ooh, I don't know. Let's see. Kind of messed up down here, so this is what we'll do. Fill it in a little bit. Good enough, because I'll fussy cut that part off. I don't know, could outline the cactus in black. But right now I'm not sure, so I'm gonna leave it alone. All right, guys, I'm gonna close up shop for now, get my day started. I need to go get some coffee. I just wanted to show you these sweet markers before I used them up and then couldn't demonstrate using them. So here's just a few doodles. Oh, I gotta fix this mushroom. Let's see. Good enough. Maybe that will look good in black. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'll be back soon. I want to make more videos this week. I hope I can. I've been hibernating away from the heat. Finally got my air conditioning like full blast. I need to clean the condenser this week. But anyways, I will see you guys later. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and a comment. Helps me and the algorithm. And I'll see you later. Bye.